Welcome to Boilers2Go. Is your Ferroli boiler showing a confusing error code? Let's decode it fast and get your heating back on. Those flashing numbers identify a specific problem within your central heating system, helping you understand exactly what needs attention. F37 is the most common code UK homeowners see, indicating low water pressure. This is often caused by a small leak or after bleeding your radiators. You can usually fix F37 yourself. Locate your filling loop and top up until the gauge is back in the green. A01 signifies ignition failure. This could be due to a simple gas supply issue, a blocked condensate pipe, or a fault with the ignition electrode itself. Decodes are typically status indicators showing the boiler's current operating mode, rather than representing a permanent system fault. Try a simple reset first. Ensure your gas and electricity are on, and in the winter, check that your external condensate pipe hasn't frozen solid. While basic checks are fine, remember that internal repairs must always be handled by a gas-safe registered engineer for your home's safety. Subscribe to Boilers2Go for more expert heating tips and professional advice to keep your British home warm all year round.